1 apple, one. 2 bananas, two. 3 guava, three. 4 tomatoes, four. 5 berry, five. 6 strawberries, six. 7 mangoes, seven. 8 lemon, eight. 9 brinjals, nine. 10 bananas, ten. 1 parrot, 2 balls, 3 monkeys, 4 balloons, 5 ducks, 6 cats, 7 books, 8 eggs, 9 pencils, 10 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's learn counting in words. one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, eight, nine, nine, 10, ten. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Let's count together. 1 color. 1, 2, 2 colors. 1, 2, 3, 3 colors. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 colors. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colors. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 colors. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's count the numbers. 1. Ball. O-N-E 1. 2. Cats. T-W-O 2. 3. Flowers. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. Balloons. F-O-U-R 4. 5. Stars. F-I-V-E 5. 6. Apples. S-I-X 6. 7. Eggs. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. Birds. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. Butterflies. N-I-N-E 9. 10. Lollipops. T-E-N 10. Let's learn counting in words. 0. Z-E-R-O 0. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10.